Eastern barred bandicoot. What is it? The eastern barred bandicoot is a small, nocturnal marsupial. In the past, the mainland subspecies of eastern barred bandicoot has been listed as extinct in the wild. It weighs less than 2 kilograms, has a short tail and strong hind legs to hop around on. It also has 3 to 4 distinctive whitish bars across the rump. Scientific classification. By looking at the scientific classifications, we can see that this is a mammal with the scientific name of Paramelus gunni. What do they eat? Eastern barred bandicoots rest in a shallow grassland nest during the day and come out to forage at night on a variety of invertebrates. Eastern barred bandicoots are omnivores, meaning that they eat meat and plants such as worms, grubs, berries and fungi. In addition, they are great at helping homes control garter pests, also eating venomous spiders such as the funnelweb, as well as tubers and fungi. Habitat. On mainland Australia, the original native habitat was primarily native perennial tussock grasslands with scattered open woodlands and shrub cover, particularly along watercourses. In recent years, the eastern barred bandicoot has survived in highly modified habitats, such as tree plantations, farmland, gardens and parklands. The key feature of these sites seems to have been areas of dense cover adjacent to a suitable feeding habitat. Distribution. The eastern barred bandicoot was once distributed across the basalt plains of southwest Victoria and in Tasmania. Due to predation by introduced foxes and cats, along with land clearing for farming practices, the Victorian subspecies is critically endangered. There are now a number of reintroduced populations of eastern barred bandicoots on the mainland, which are protected by predator barrier fences to try and repopulate certain areas. Role in ecosystem. How do they help? Digging mammals such as the bandicoot improve soil health by bringing deep soils and their nutrients to the surface. They also break through hard soils which would otherwise be impenetrable to plant seedlings and also allow spots for water to enter the soil. Eastern barred bandicoot food chain. In this food chain, the tree is eaten by the ant is eaten by the golden sun moth, that is then eaten by the eastern barred bandicoot, which is then eaten by the Australian tiger snake. Eastern barred bandicoot food web. In this food web, the eastern barred bandicoot is a second and third order consumer. It is eaten by the tiger snake and it eats the ant and golden sun moth. If the eastern barred bandicoot goes extinct, it will affect this food web in a number of ways. While the tiger snake will not have the food from eastern barred bandicoots, the ants and golden sun moth population will rise, making the lizard and bird population rise, which will in turn make the dingo and tiger snake population rise. On the other hand, the tree and wallaby grass population will fall. Why is the eastern barred bandicoot endangered? The two main threats to the eastern barred bandicoot are habitat loss and predation by introduced animals. Eastern barred bandicoots are grassland animals, and over 98% of their habitat has been destroyed, which is causing a big decline in population. In addition, introduced species such as the fox, cat and dog have populations going out of control, which is also causing the decline in population of the eastern barred bandicoot. What is being done to try and help conserve the eastern barred bandicoot? Zoos Victoria are fighting to rejuvenate the eastern barred bandicoot population and play a key role in the recovery of the species. Zoos Victoria are helping the species by maintaining a captive insurance population, releasing captive bred bandicoots into fox-free sites, and coordinating the guardian dog trial to determine if specially trained Maremma guardian dogs can protect eastern barred bandicoots. Zoos Victoria are also conducting research to improve husbandry, breeding, reintroduction success and monitoring. They are also increasing community awareness and support for the eastern barred bandicoot. In addition, they have 3 reintroduced populations protected by predator barrier fences, which are so far going very well.
Created using Powtoon.